Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to make a text box completely transparent in Microsoft Word, so you can overlay text perfectly on images or backgrounds. Let's dive right in. First, let's add our text box. Go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Shapes, then select Text Box. Click and drag anywhere on your document to draw it and type in your text. You'll notice it has a solid white background and a black border by default, which blocks whatever is behind it. To make that background disappear, click anywhere on the outer edge of your text box to select it. This will reveal a new tab at the top of your screen called Shape Format. Click on it. Look for the Shape Fill option in the ribbon. Click the drop-down arrow and select No Fill. Your background is now completely transparent, but we still have that distracting border. To fix this, stay on the Shape Format tab. Just below the Shape Fill option, click on Shape Outline. From that drop-down menu, select No Outline. Now your text box is completely invisible, leaving only your text. If your text is hard to read against your document or background image, simply highlight the text, go to the Home tab, and change the font color to something bright like white. And that's it. You can now freely move your text anywhere on your document for a clean, professional look. If this quick tip helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks for watching.